So here we are continuing with our table, our first project. So this is day 2 of our table continuation. Don't forget we are learners, and besides that, we are going to, you are free to collect us, you're free to teach us, you're free to comment, you're free to review with us, you're free to tell us everything. So here we are interested in selecting this and this. So this will allow us to do this, and this, so we're going to select also this. I'm doing this by pressing on shift and using left click, you see. So this is our output. So later on we are going to continue to exclude. We're going to put it in we are going to put it here. Yes, this is something like, I prefer this front view. So we are going to form that the other part of the table, the inside part that comes out in the table. So we are going to, after putting it here, we are going to just click on E to bring out that part of the table, you see. So when we do this, you can see that part of the table is already out. So later on we are going to come and we have to form a table, the legs of the table. So already you can click on double click on A to unselect everything, or you can use Command Z for MacBook, and for Windows you can use Ctrl Z. So we are interested in this, so click here on to allow me to select multiple sides. I'll click on shift for long, then use left click, select this. Now we're interested in bringing out the leg of the table, and you can see this and this. So after seeing this, you can go back to the front view. You can see, then I will want to extrude, so I'll press E, then I'll move it on Z axis. See our table. So you can make it at your preferred length. So my preferred length is this. So when you see this, you can see our table has come out. So if you make sure that if you find out that the table's legs, you want to increase them or reduce them, it's a matter of coming here and selecting this. You select this, 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 and we shall come here again. This, I'm able to do this multiple times by clicking over pressing on shift without releasing it. So later on, and yes, so I'll do S. I'll click on S to scale, then shift Z. It allows me to reduce it to my preferred size. You see, it can be stretched over y-axis and z-axis. So if you want to reduce, you can reduce. If you want to increase, you can increase. So my main point is a little. So that is it. So back to our table work. It's important you come on first, then save. When you save like this, so we're interested in saving this extruding part. So this is where we ended from, and this is our extruding part, day 2. That's what I was saving. You can see extruding part, day 2, and I'll hit save. So when you look at our table, this is the output. So thank you for liking and subscribing, and continue liking and subscribing to Object Bend Works. And this is the end of our video. So later on we shall come up with shading, everything, bringing out geometry, everything. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.